Guys, I'm here. I'm with my mom. She's playing guitar. She's really good, but I'm better. I'm better. I'm just kidding. We're both good. Tomorrow I have big news. Tomorrow I'm going to Las Vegas with Silent Vlogger. We're gonna do challenges during the trip. Right now I'm packing up my backpack with clothes. Yeah, we're gonna be like, we're gonna do challenges, Chubby Bunny challenge, and the Potatoes challenge, and so because we're thinking of stuff to do to not get bored during the road trip, and we're gonna vlog during the road trip, and we're gonna do all this stuff with Silent Vlogger. It's gonna be awesome. So it's just me, my mom, what you saw, Silent Vlogger with his parents. It's gonna be awesome. And yeah, so see you on the road trip. And see you later, guys. Subscribe for more. Stay tuned. Friday to Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh my God, I can't wait for tomorrow. We're gonna leave. And yeah, see you guys, and have a great day. Hope you have a good day. And guys, see ya. Peace.